Learning the key steps of how to mix neem oil for plant use is a huge advantage in allowing nature to cure its own problems. Neem tree is one of the plants that show great versatility in combating plant pests. In India, its country of origin, it has a sacred tree status. This is due to its beneficial ingredients in traditional Ayurvedic medicine. Neem oil is a prized ingredient used in traditional and modern remedies. The insecticide properties of neem oil make it a natural supporter of the garden. Simply summed up, neem oil is a nature's gift from plants to plants. How to mix neem oil for plants. To make full use of neem oil, it is vital to learn how to mix it for your plants. When making your own neem insect repellent spray, you are free to adjust the concentration. This depends on the purpose and situation. There are no hard rules set in stone for this, only friendly guidelines. Neem oil mixture for insect repellent spray. To make 1 liter or 1 quart of 0.5% dilution of neem plant spray, you need 1 to 2 milliliter or 1/3 teaspoon of non-toxic insecticidal soap or another non-toxic detergent. 1 liter or 1 quart of warm water. 5 milliliter or 1 teaspoon neem oil, use pure or cold-pressed oil. If you want to make a bigger batch, multiply these quantities by the number of liters you want to increase. If you need a more concentrated repellent spray, multiply both neem oil and the amount of non-toxic soap used. To make 20 liters or 4 gallons of a 1% solution of neem garden spray, you need 200 milliliter or 6.5 ounce neem oil, 20 liters or 4 gallons of water, 30 milliliter or 5 tablespoons of insecticidal soap. If you have trouble trying to dissolve the oil, use more detergent. Important points to note when mixing neem oil spray. Use pure, high-quality, organic cold-pressed oil. Use warm water if possible. If making a large batch, first pre-mix the ingredients in a small amount of water. Then pour into a big container with the rest of the water and mix well. Always mix warm water with soap first. Slowly add the oil while stirring vigorously. Fill the mixture in your sprayer. Keep shaking the mixture while spraying. This mixture should be used within 8 hours after mixing. How to apply neem oil mixture to plants. Spray this solution only on the leaves. Pests hide on the underside of the leaf, so drench the leaf with the spray. Neem is also good for the soil, so don't worry if you drench the soil too. Always exercise caution when spraying this solution. Before applying it generously, test on a small area first and watch for adverse effects for a day. If the plant does not get a negative reaction in 24 hours, go ahead and spray the entire area. Do not spray neem oil when the weather is either too hot or cold. Use neem oil spray as often as your plants need it. Once per week is a good measure, and spraying it often will work as a preventative measure. Who thought that plants can be medicine for their fellow plants? We all thought plants are food and medicine for humans. Shock is, nature can heal nature. All our complicated knowledge is challenged by simple nature. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.